So this is the image I'm going to use. So in order to vectorize this photo here, just go to image and then select vectorize bitmap. So here, as you can see, there are many colors. So here you can change the number of colors. So for example, I'm going to just make it to 2 colors, press 2 and then press enter. So here it is. And now you can change some of these settings here. So for example, cartoon or photo. I'm going to place the layer here. Just left click and then hold. And here you can reduce the noise. So for example, as you can see, the effect changed. So I'm just going to type 20 colors again, press enter. And now let's type 2, press enter. And now here, if you left click, you will be able to see the colors, the palette used. So for example, this one here, let's left click. So here's the RGBA, for example, numbers. And this one here. Now you can also check this one here, color in book. It will give you another effect. So I'm just going to uncheck it. This one, polygon. So for example, let's increase the number to 20, press enter. So it gives it kind of polygon shapes. So let's, for example, increase to 50. So for example, here, let's increase the numbers to 20 and see the effect. So the effect is not that good. So I'm going to uncheck the polygon. And then reduce the number of colors to 2, press enter. And if you left click here, you'll be able, for example, if you check the fill, so this is the fill, let's check the stroke. And then I'm going to uncheck the fill. So we have the stroke here, and remember this is just 2 colors. And this is the label. So if I click on fill and check the stroke, so it will show you the color palette here. So let's say I'm going to change it to 5, press enter. So here it showed 5 colors in the palette. So I'm going to bring it back to 2. And here you can, for example, check the merge colors or uncheck it. So I'm going to leave it checked. Press 20 here, press enter. Now press 2. And now I'm going to left click here. I'm going to uncheck the labels. So I think I'm going to leave it here. Now press OK. So as you can see, our image here, we don't have the image. We just have the, for example, this folder group here. If you left click, open it. So these are the paths here. So here's the path. You can also modify it using the paths tool, using the pen tool, sorry. So this one here. So if I hide it, so here it is. So I'm just going to select the move tool here. So now I want a copy of what's visible on my Canva here. So I'm going to create a new transparent layer. Click on this icon. Select the folder. And then hold the Alt key, the Shift key, and the Control key, and then press E to create a new layer from what's visible on the Canva. So here it is. So now I can hide this one or even delete it. So now I'm going to bring the previous image I used to create this effect here. So here's our original layer, and here's the copy. So now if you want to remove, for example, one of these colors here, so I'm going to select the color picker tool, left click. So let's select the eyedropper, this one here, and now left click. So here's the color. So here's the HTML annotation, and here it is in the swatch here, the palette here. So now go to filter, other, and then select color to alpha. And now I'm just going to change the color here, left click. Let's select our color we just picked with the eyedropper tool, left click. So left click here, so here it is, and now press OK, and now press OK. And now I'm going to select the transparent layer here. Under it, we created before. Select the paint bucket tool. I'm going to change the foreground to black to white, left click on the foreground. Press OK, now left click. So here it is. Now let's see the before and the after. So if I select the zoom tool, so now let's zoom in to see the edges here. So as you can see, we have smooth edges. And now let's select fit the area.